Oh my gosh. I can hear the tornado siren from here. It's been going off for the last minute. I'm going to the backyard. I'm recording with my gaming iPad, guys. I think the one is coming from the sports field too, guys. I have an emergency alert system. I think my phone is done processing the short video, so I have an alert system, guys. So here you go. Let me see if this thing can ever focus. I have a tornado warning, guys, right here on my phone. Wow, guys. Like, sorry, bear. I got work tomorrow. I'm kind of a bit anxious and be almighty. Oh boy. Man, I hope no debris comes up. Wow. Holy macaronis. Holy macaronis outside. Dang. It's off. Been going off for the last minute. It's already 10 o'clock. I think the one at the sports field is off. Yeah. I think we're good for now. So see you guys later. Stay safe. Don't be like an idiot outside and have a good day. Bye.